I was sitting here making some coffee, waiting for Blake to get here like a kid waiting for Christmas. And I think he's here. Let's go on. I don't know why I got my snow goggles, that's why I still have those up there. Well, we made it here. A little skip of snow came through last night. We'll see how that affects the horn finding. Blake's probably gonna find all of them. Well, it's snowing, plus the snow falling out of the trees. It's cold. Blake has one little forked horn, older forked horn. There's a ton of sign in here. It just feels like at any minute we're gonna come into a big pocket and they're just gonna be laying everywhere. So I really hope that actually happens. Well, we popped out to this meadow here and look down here below. Got a shed horn. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, he's trying to be a 3-point. We're on to him. They can't escape us now. What'd you find, Blake?
1 and 2 horns right there.
So I don't know if you know, but on this ridge, whoever finds the second one gets the match.
Okay.
That's the rule on this ridge. Just make sure you're aware of that.
Yep. Now I know the rules. This little dark and forky.
He's fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Sweet. Now we're gonna wander down here. Well, that's not huge, but that's a good brown horn.
Yeah. Nice little 3-point.
Sweet.
What do you think? Does it match?
Yep, totally. That's yours. The rest are mine.
4-point.
Really? Nice.
Not very big, but that will do.
So you got a 3-point, a forked horn, and a 4-point now. You just need a spike. You're hitting for the cycle here soon. Well, Blake just wandered over there to find that 4-point older white one. And as you can see, pretty sure I just matched up his 3. I literally almost stepped on it and I was watching what he was doing. I turned around and started walking. And I thought to myself that Blake got up and walked away and left his 3-point laying here, but pretty sure that's the horn. Just a 3-point. It's a nice chocolate horn though. Sweet. I'm always matching up horns for Blake. I need to find a big one and then let him match one up for me. I'm glad he's finding them. Oh, Blake says he's got another one. Good job, Blake. We'll find some in a minute. I'm gonna find a big one. I know it. Maybe he'll find all the deer horns. I'm gonna find a big old elk horn. That's what's gonna happen. Sweet, and that's not even the good one that you got coming up?
No, the other one's down here. You wanna go get it?
Yeah, go get your other horn, you dork. Alright, well, we got a little guy. Just a forked horn, but that's actually 2 for me. This is a 3-point I gotta give to Blake. It's 3:30, so we gotta try to hustle through it. But I have a feeling that that's not the last you're gonna see of me with horns. Well, this sucks. This is just the front of it. I can see it's just gonna get worse and worse. It's just black coming at us. Yuck. I'm gonna have to put my snow goggles on here soon. Well, I spotted that horn down there, and Blake said since I found his match, he'd go get it for me, so he wandered down there and got it. Came in this really big meadow. I got a horn. Nice. 3-point. I'll take that. Bunch of these. Man, he's pretty. He's just a pretty, perfect little 3-point. Laying out here in the middle. Be nice to find more. More! It's starting to get dark out here. And the snow's starting to stick. I got through the brushy canyon and home stretch, hopefully. Gonna get up out of here. Well, we made it out that hole. Sun decided to pop out. Pretty sweet looking sunset. And now that we got some more light, we're kind of like, oh, maybe we could look a little more. But I'm absolutely soaked. My feet are wet down to the boots. Everything's wet. The heater in the truck sounds nice. I don't know if you can see me. Let's unfog this sucker. You got a little wet. That looks worse. Hold on a second. It would probably help if I didn't try to clean it with the hanky that I wiped my feet off with.
Toe jam on there.
We made it back to the truck. We got soaking wet. How many horns did you end up with?
6.
I got 4. So as a whole, 10 horns is not a terrible day. We just covered some gnarly ground, and it snowed sideways on us, and it hailed, and it sleeted, and then it rained, and then it was steep and slippery. I think part of my hip bone got left up there on the hill. Gosh, my boots is wet. My pants are all tore up. It was just a rough hike. It was a real rough hike. Hold on, we're fogging up again. Let me get my toe rag. Maybe tomorrow, if Blake says it's okay, we'll show you the horns that we found today. But I don't got time to go out there. I got my feet off. My socks are off. I'm not putting them back on. I ain't going back outside. See you tomorrow.